Welcome friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so that all are you have been well. So in today's video, button crafts ideas, reverse button art on canvas. Take some colorful button, arrange them on a canvas in the shape of a flower or a heart. Use glue to fix them. This is a fun and easy way to make button wall art, but eventually choose small buttons in matching colors. Friends, thread them on to make a bracelet or necklace. Simple, creative and beautiful handmade jewelry. Button or photo frame. Cover the border with the buttons. Using glue, mix color and size for a stylish handmade friends. Handmade frame, button hair clip. Take a plain hair clip, friends. Add a button with strong glue onto top. Cute and colorful clips are ready in mint. Button keychains. Use big buttons. Thread them together with string or wire. Add a key ring.